One of the commonest questions that kept appearing in my mind when my life was back on track, on my return from the depths of darkness, was, my past is over. Why should I visit it? It's done. It's dusted. I never want to go back there again. And strangely, the universe has this peculiar habit of answering whatever you ask of it. I study the science I'm now teaching. I understand how the mind works. And I also realize that the past is the fulcrum. The past is the seed on which my current tree is growing. Just because I don't see the seed does not mean it's not influencing the texture and the quality of the nutrients that I'm drawing from the soil to grow into a tree and produce a fruit. And which is why, if you note, when you are gardening and you're planting a seed, it's vital to dig the soil and to make sure that there are no poisonous weeds, there are no corruptible elements that can compete with your seed to enable you grow a plant and get a fruit of your choice. From an absolute common sense perspective, let's evaluate the requirement to heal the past as a fantastic resource for the present. In your modern memory, you have unpleasant events that are stored. You couldn't control that because it happened at a young age. As an adult of today, you don't wish to be reminded of those painful moments, those pathetic emotions, and whatever self-defeating conclusions you drew about yourself. You don't want to remember it. Now, let's assume for a moment that the degree of pain that event has caused to you is X. A very simple equation of mathematics will tell you that to balance that negative impact of X of negative energy, you need an equal amount of Y of good energy just to balance out the pain. And then to suppress it, you need that much more of good energy so that the past doesn't trouble you anymore. So for every single unit of past negativity, you need double the number of units of positive energy to keep that past hidden. Now, that quantum of positive energy is useless for you because you don't have it available in the present moment. So when you release the past from the perspective of today, you deal with the past from the perspective of today, and you retrieve whatever of yourself is stuck there. In short, you are returning to yourself the resource of good energy that will become a fantastic aid in whatever you wish to manifest. So the wise gardeners always dig the soil, clear the toxicity, clear the weeds. The wise men in life, in their minds, go back to the past, sort out their experiences, clear their belief systems so that the clean slate with which you now want to water your plant is fresh, is bright, and you can grow to as high you aspire your tree to be.